What is up, guys and girls, and welcome back to Dectors Investing. This is episode 16 of my dividend investing journey. And since the last time I updated you guys, I've added £600 capital to the portfolio and made one new investment. That investment being in MasterCard, in which I purchased 3 shares with an average price per share of £199. So, for those of you that don't know who MasterCard are and what they do, they are basically a US company who deal with payment-related products and services. So if we jump into the financial reasons as to why I purchased MasterCard, starting with its share price. MasterCard had been on a huge bun roll up until the 20th of February, where it reached $344.45. However, like most stocks, it had crashed due to the current climate and is now trading at around about $255, which is a great price in my opinion for a great company. If we look at the shareholder returns over the past year and onwards, MasterCard has not only beaten the industry it is in, but has also destroyed the market for the same period. Simply Wall Street also currently undervalue MasterCard by 8% in comparison to its fair value. This isn't a massive discount. However, any discount on a company like MasterCard is great for capital appreciation. If we have a look at future growth, MasterCard is projected to grow 9.7% in the next 3 years, which is great for the company and the shareholders, and especially as everything is going digital with cash being slowly phased out. I potentially see this figure being greater than the 9.7 stated on Simply Wall Street. If we go on to its past performance, if we combine this with MasterCard's past performance of 15.2%, I'm hopeful that the company can keep continuing to grow its earning, which will then be reflected in its share price and hopefully again us seeing some nice capital appreciation. And finally, MasterCard pays a dividend of 0.62%, which isn't particularly great. However, it's better than receiving no dividends. Also, I have primarily brought this stock as a growth stock for the capital appreciation. Therefore, any dividends will be a bonus and will compound nicely. So if we jump back over to Freetrade and see how the portfolio has performed, starting with the investment ISA, the S&P 500 is up around 1.89% for the week, and also the FTSE 100 is also up 3.5%. So we'll see how our individual shareholdings have performed in correlation to this. MasterCard, our most recent purchase, is up 4.3% with a gain of £25.74, and over the week it has risen 4.11%. So again, that's a nice little pick. If only I could pick every stock and they rise straight away. Pfizer, our stock from last week, is up 2.47% with a gain of £12.19. And over the week, it has risen 1.03%. Jumping over to the basic account, HSBC, we are down 20.78% with a loss of £270.24. However, over the week, it has actually risen 1.16%. AT&T, we are down 12.2% with a loss of £82.73. And on the week, it has fallen 2.29%. Virgin Money, our biggest loser, we are down 41.61% with a loss of £416.32. And again, over the week, it has fallen 4.41%. Legal and General, we are down 31.32% with a loss of £219.22. and over the week it has fallen 1.44%. 3M, we are down 5.12% with a loss of £25.04, and over the week it has also fallen 0.89%. Unilever, we're down 3.56% with a loss of £16.94. However, over the week it has actually risen 0.9%. Aviva, we are down 34.46% with a loss of £212.97. And over the week it has fallen 1.29%. And finally, our smallest shareholding, but our biggest gainer out of all the stocks that I own, Johnson & Johnson, we are up 13.05% with a gain of £28.92. And over the week, it has risen 2.22%. As it keeps continuing to rise after that impressive earnings report from last week. So that concludes the dividend portfolio update. The portfolio is currently down 17.5% over the two portfolios, the ISA and also the basic account. And also we haven't received any dividend payments this week either. So that basically wraps it up. So if you've liked this video, please give it a like. If you want to see more like this, please subscribe. And also check out the playlist, which will be linked in the description if you have missed any previous episodes. And until next time, peace.